Hey everyone, Iris here, and today we are making grilled mushroom poppers. It's a jalapeno popper meets a stuffed mushroom. I'm so excited. It's going to be your new favorite appetizer. We're gonna start with preparing our mushrooms. These are just baby bellas. They've been washed and we are just destemming them. Nice little pop. And we are just creating a little pocket for our filling. These are going to be the perfect little appetizer. Put these to the side while we get the rest of our ingredients ready for our filling. Just have a jalapeno here. We're just deveining and seeding this little guy. If you like it super hot, you can keep the seeds in. That's the source of the heat. Since we're making this for a group, let's be safe and make sure that these are totally destemmed. And we just want a fine mince here because this is going into the filling. I love the gentle heat that jalapenos provide in this recipe and that familiar flavor of the jalapeno popper. So to our bowl of minced jalapenos, we can add the rest of our filling ingredients. We have garlic powder, chives, minced nice and small as well, breadcrumbs, and that really helps give some more texture to our filling. Bacon chopped up nice and small. You can use bacon crumbles, or as we just cooked some bacon and chopped it up real small. That's gonna be the salty base and the really delicious umami and fat in our filling. This will also add a lot of really good flavor. This is just sharp cheddar cheese. It's gonna act also as an emulsifier, and our great emulsifier, cream cheese. So from here, we will just give it a nice little stir and incorporate all of our ingredients. These are all the classic flavors that you have in your jalapeno popper, the cream cheese filling, jalapenos obviously. It's gonna be so delicious in these little mushrooms. And I don't know about you, but because they're poppers, I can eat like dozens of them. So at least we're adding a little bit more vegetable. So this looks pretty evenly incorporated, and we can get to stuffing our mushrooms. So this is super simple. We're just gonna take about a heaping tablespoon and gently incorporate that filling into the mushroom. You can give it a nice little mushroom tap and repeat. This is a really fun activity too if you wanna cook with your friends, with your family, with kids. A really simple recipe that's lots of fun to prepare. Can get a little messy, but the messier the more fun, right? If you want to keep these vegetarian, you can leave out the bacon. These days there's also a lot of different meat substitutes, and so you can feel free to substitute with any favorite bacon substitute you'd like. All right, so next we're just going to pop these onto a hot grill and we'll be ready to rock and roll. See you over there. Okay, let's pop our little stuffed mushrooms on the grill. You can go directly onto the flame. We're just gonna pop our stuffed mushroom poppers directly onto the grate. Oh, they are bubbling away, so delicious, so juicy. Okay, we have our grilled mushroom poppers hot off the grill. We're just gonna garnish them. They look so delicious already. Just have some chives, more for the plate than the popper. Are we ready? Get this little guy. Look at how beautiful it's crisped up. Our bacon is so inviting. The cheese has melted and gotten all crunchy, and the panko breadcrumb has really soaked up a lot of that creamy cheese filling. That's full of amazing flavor. So delicious. The jalapeno is mild, but really comes through. I'm gonna have this whole plate of them. It's so savory, crunchy, and yet so juicy and moist from the mushroom cap bottom. These were so delicious. I cannot wait for you to try them. These were grilled mushroom poppers, and this was Bussin Eats. We'll see you next time.